Hello dear friends! In this video, I'm going to show you a simple natural remedy for knee stiffness. This method has helped many of my patients, and it may also be helpful for you. You should prepare it every night before bed and leave it on your knee until morning. Never use this remedy for more than 3 nights. For this remedy, you need a small piece of lamb or beef fat and the same amount of dates. Let's prepare the remedy. First, remove the skins of the dates, take out the pits, and mash them well with a fork. This remedy is especially helpful for people whose knees feel stiff or locked after sitting or sleeping for a while. In traditional medicine, fat softens stiff tissues and allows the remedy to penetrate deeply into the knee. Dates are also warm and nourishing. They help soften the joint, support tissue repair, and reduce stiffness. Together, fat and dates create gentle warmth and moisture that ease knee dryness, improve flexibility, and relieve discomfort caused by cold and dryness. While we prepare the remedy, let me share a few helpful tips. Cold is harmful for your knees. In summer, avoid swimming in cold water. In winter, wear warm knee supports. Even in summer, a light knee support can be helpful. At night, massage a few drops of olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil into your knees until it is absorbed. Foods like bone broth and almond milk are very beneficial. Avoid too much yogurt, fast food, lentils, and eggplants. Now finely chop the fat with a knife. Now, mix the fat and mashed dates in equal amounts. Place the mixture on a piece of freezer bag and put it on your knee. And secure it with a bandage. Wrap it firmly but not too tight, so it doesn't put pressure on your leg and the mixture doesn't leak out. Leave it on overnight. In the morning, remove it and wash your leg. Remember, these remedies will help improve your condition, but true healing comes from the soul. To live a healthier life, try adding these activities to your daily routine.